welcome back to the A Siblings. Right now we are going home from the city of Redlands because we were walking in mountains to go to an area. So I'm going to explain why we were there, and the footage you're about to see after this intro is in the past, so we're coming from the future right now. The future. So the reason we went there is because a group of Indians, like our parents' friends that we know, are planning to build a temple in those mountains that we were in. So in those mountains, we just went to the area to check it out, and then we did a prayer, and that's basically why we were there. And now let's roll the clips. Roll the clips. Hey guys, so right now we are in these big hills. Wow, it's so big. So we had to take off our shoes.
Hi, Akhila. Starbucks. So right now, oh, hi. My mom wants to say hi. So right now
We are at Starbucks. Let me take off my mask a little. So we're at Starbucks right now, and you guys saw us in the hills or mountains before. That's where you guys last saw us, and now we're at Starbucks.
I'm getting a vanilla bean frappuccino without any caffeine. I'm getting a vanilla bean frappuccino without any caffeine.
Yeah, and I'm getting, I think it's called chocolate bean frappuccino or something. I know it's a frappuccino, but my brother said it's called chocolate bean. So I don't know what the exact name is, but it's a frappuccino with chocolate. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to
Like and share with any friends and family, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
and tap the bell to be notified every time the A siblings post something new. Bye. Peace out.